Hi everyone, and welcome to our video tutorial today on how to edit bookings and groups in your Newbook system. Firstly, if we have a guest on the phone and they would like to extend or reduce their stay dates, we're able to edit a booking by using our global search in the top bar. Once we've searched for their details, booking ID, email or cell phone number, we press enter to locate the booking. We can then click into the bookings tab and we simply need to find the booking in question that they wish to adjust. Once we click on the ID, we'll be taken to a view of their booking where we can see their current details that are locked in. And to make an adjustment, in the top right, we have our Edit Booking button. Once we're on this mode, it will allow us to make adjustments to these areas of the screen. As an example, if I need to reduce the stay, we'll see it reloads the page, sets a new departure date, and it will also update the nightly rates to reduce by 1 night. If there are no other items we need to change, we can then save the booking. It will then update that booking and you'll see the new departure date. Another way of editing a booking is from our bookings chart. So when you are on the chart mode, you are able to either drag and drop a booking if you simply want to place them in a new site or room. Once you've done this, you then need to press save in the top right corner. In addition to this, you can also double click on the booking from the chart and a pop-up window will appear. If you need to change any information relating to dates, we would recommend selecting the Edit pencil by the booking ID, which will then take you straight to the Edit Booking screen again, where we can then extend or reduce the guest stay. When you're extending, it will reload and add those extra nights on based on the rate that they have booked. We then simply save in the top right corner. That takes us back to a view of the booking where we can see it's updated and our new departure date is set. Separate to updating an individual booking, we can also update or edit our group bookings within the system. There are two main ways to do this as well. Again, you can use the global search in the top bar. Once you've located the guest, you then want to click into the Booking Group tab, which will display any groups under that name. Locate the correct one you wish to update. If we click into this, it will then take us to a view of the group booking where we can see the options in the top right to edit the group overall. So this will allow us to make adjustments to all of the bookings within that group if we need to. As an example, when we edit the group booking, it takes us to the edit mode where I can adjust the guest group contact, the name of the group. I also have the ability to register the unique guests traveling within here. On any of these columns where you happen to see an arrow, that does allow you to apply bulk changes below, or an edit pencil will allow you to update a singular piece of information on that particular booking. However, when you are wanting to update all bookings, such as these 4 want to have an extended stay of the 22nd of October, if I bulk tick these, I then simply use the Update Selected Booking option. This will allow me to then override or update bulk fields. So I can untick the departure date here, change that to the 22nd. I also have other options such as adjusting the overall occupants that might be traveling, the rate type, discount, or even the billing account that will be paying for this. I have company and travel agent details and also some other marketing fields which can be updated. Once I've made those changes, I simply save and that will update all of those bookings to reflect that change, and their rate will also update it as well. If there are no other changes to make, I simply save and that will update that group booking for us. Another way is also by our booking chart. So if we pop back to our chart, if you do see the group that you wish to adjust on this screen, you can double click on any of the bookings within the group. And you'll notice the pop-up window gives us an additional field called group name. So if we want to make changes to the overall group, we would click the edit pencil here to do so. Alternatively, if we only wanted to make an adjustment to that one booking within this group, I could select the edit pencil next to the booking ID here. If I click on this one, it's just going to take me to that singular booking where I can then extend or reduce the stay. Once I save, it will then update that booking. We can see the departure date has now correctly updated. And if we would head back to our booking chart, we're going to see that that particular booking has extended. Please note that if you happen to have locked a booking, due to a guest not wanting to be moved around, you will not be able to use the drag and drop option unless you actually edit the booking and unlock it. That does bring us to the end of our video tutorial today. If you do require any further assistance, remember to click into the question mark icon in the top right corner of your screen, and that will display a helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides and frequently asked questions.